In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the info line on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding how to effectively use the info line can be a valuable tool in your trading toolkit. Let's dive into the steps and make sure you feel confident about using this feature by the end of our time together. To begin, navigate to your TradingView chart. For those who might be new to this platform, TradingView is a versatile tool used by traders all around the world for chart analysis and monitoring market trends. Make sure you're logged in and have your chart of interest opened up in front of you. This is where we will implement the info line. Next, you'll want to locate the Tools panel on your chart interface. This panel hosts a variety of features, and here is where you can find the info line. You'll usually see this panel on the right-hand side or at the top of your chart, depending on your layout settings. Within this panel, you'll find the info line listed among other tools. Click on it to select it. Once you've clicked on the info line, you'll notice your cursor change to reflect the tool's activation. This prepares you to draw the info line directly onto your chart. The info line is ideal for annotating charts to highlight trends, identify key data points, or simply organize your thoughts visually on the screen. Now, click on your chart where you'd like the info line to begin. Click and hold your mouse button or trackpad, and then drag the line to your desired endpoint. You will see the line extending across your chart as you move the cursor. Release when you're satisfied with the position of the info line. Finally, you have the option to add your personal notes or insights. After placing the info line, a text box will appear, allowing you to input any relevant information. This is a fantastic way to annotate your charts with specific data points, strategies, or market insights. Type in your text, ensuring it adds value to your analysis or serves as a reminder of why the info line is placed there. And there you have it. You've successfully used the info line feature in TradingView to enhance your chart analysis. Remember, this tool can be particularly useful when preparing for trades or sharing insights with others in your community. Regular practice and application of these steps will help you become more adept at using TradingView's powerful charting capabilities. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. Happy trading, and see you in our next tutorial.